Opti-Women Multivitamin Review. Description: High-Potency, 40+ ingredients. Dietary Supplement. Vcaps. True Strength. Suggested use: for women, consume 2 capsules daily with food. Other ingredients: Hypromellose, magnesium stearate, calcium phosphate, microcrystalline cellulose, silica. Allergen information: contains soy ingredients. Warnings: accidental overdose of iron-containing products is the leading cause of fatal poisoning in children under 6. Keep this product out of reach of children. In case of accidental overdose, call a doctor or poison control center immediately. Consult your physician before using this product if you are taking any medication or are under a physician's care for a medical condition. Not for use by those under the age of 18, or women that are pregnant, trying to get pregnant, or nursing. Store in a cool, dry place. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.